So let's take a look at how you can install FaunaDB Shell on Windows 10. So what we're going to do is make sure you have account on FaunaDB and also have some default database to work with. So what we can do is first open command prompt, and in command prompt you can either use npm or yarn. Okay, in my case I'm using yarn, but I will show you commands for both npm and yarn. Okay, so let me move to another drive. Here, first thing, if you want to install through npm, type in npm install -g, then fauna-shell. Okay, that should install using npm. If you have yarn, you can use yarn global add fauna-shell. Okay, so that will be installed through yarn. Okay, so depending on whichever method you choose, you will find FaunaDB installed. After that, you have to use fauna, then cloud-login. This will take your FaunaDB username and password. Okay, make sure you type them correctly, and it is need to be done only once, because after that it will be stored in credentials file. Okay, after that you can simply type in fauna then shell. Okay, then it should connect to FaunaDB cloud server, and it will come back with a prompt that looks something like this. Okay, if you see this, that means FaunaDB Shell is now installed on Windows 10.